Good morning or good evening. This is a little tutorial to introduce the new function that I've recently added to Wisdom Toolkit. So this is our main page, Wisdom Toolkit, and this is Wisdom. There's a pull down menu, Life Wisdom or Tangible Wisdom, but today I'd like you to just click directly onto the Wisdom. Click here, and this is the Wisdom blog, all the tools that I've been added. It's going to be under here, but what tools do you need today is the new function that I've added, and so this is just to help you just navigate through your day. If you're feeling a little bit down, daily lift always. If you're feeling triggered in the commuting train, maybe facing trigger might be your choice for the day. Just everything is like quick 3-minute read, so just something to lift you up for the day. Today I'm going to click on Oshosama Says. So Oshosama is the word for Abbot of the temple, and under this tag I have put it up all the quotes that I heard directly from the Abbot of the temple and sharing his wisdom with you. So there are many things, but today I think I'm going to click on this do some. Some means chores, daily chores that everyone in the temple do. The cleaning, sweeping the floor, and this is the little story to tell you why doing the sum might help you lift your mood for the day or gaining clarity. I hope you enjoy the read, and this blog is also under the other tags, which are clutterbuster, facing trigger. So all these tags, I hope this new function helps, and I hope you have a great day. Bye for now.